Guys, let's talk about this spikes trading strategy. Yesterday, we got some spikes trading opportunity that made us over $1,000, and of course, the opportunity still continued all through the night because it sold for a while in the night, and later on, we had more opportunity to trade more. Okay, to trade more of the spikes trading, and of course it gave us a lot of profit. Okay, personally I made about $2,800 from this particular trading activities. Okay, so you too can check it out and see how you too can make some good amount of money right from here. Okay, so this is very important, and of course you can always make profit like this on daily basis once you understand how it works. And these are some of the things that we'll be checking out in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it. That is, you need to understand the strategies, practice very well on your real account before trying them out on your practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have. Right, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so, and if you have any question about any of my trading strategies or probably the trading tools, then definitely drop your questions within the comment section, or you contact me personally. I'll always be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. If you are not on the Telegram channel, I will advise you to join right now because there will be some trading activities going on right there. Okay, so today, okay, so this is very important. Okay, so just like I've always been telling you, before you can go into trading, you should understand the trend of the market. Okay, the trend of the market is always important. Okay, and of course you should also know what you want to do. Okay, so if you are not sure of the trend, I won't advise you to go into it at all because you end up burning your fingers. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is really important. In short, it is the most important part of any trading analysis, the trend. Okay, so this is very important. So quickly let me explain to you what you need to do. Okay, for boom, okay, if you are trading spikes in boom, make sure the market is on uptrend. Only trade it when the market is on uptrend. If you're doing it when the market is on downtrend, then you are most likely to lose all your money at that point. Okay, and for crash, only trade the spikes in crash when the market is on downtrend. Okay, and of course that should be the only time you should trade it. If you're trading it anytime apart from then definitely you are getting it wrong. Okay, so this is very important, and I want you to take this part very serious. Okay, so right now this is boom 1000 and it gave us a lot of profit right here. So with that being said, it means it is not all the time you'll be having spike trading opportunity on each of these assets. Okay, of course you can be having it every day because if boom is not giving you today, crash will be giving you. Okay, so that is it. Okay, and you should understand that we have boom 1000, 500 and 300. We also have the same thing with crash. Okay, so you can always have opportunities like that with each of them. However, it is not compulsory you trade on daily basis if you are not having the opportunity to trade any of these assets, because it must be in the right trend before you trade it. Okay, so this is very important. So right here, for boom to be on uptrend, that means it must have sold for a while and got into a support zone. Here is a major support zone, and of course we understand that okay, the market should move into an uptrend, or there should be a breakout below it if it will continue to sell. Okay, but it didn't continue to sell, so there was no BRO, there was CIT, which is change in direction of the trend. Okay, so and of course it changed from the downtrend to an uptrend. That is why we are having this yellow flag. So if we actually place our order around here, so we had the opportunity to milk the market till this level. Okay, you can see it right there. And of course, like I've always been telling you, once you place your order, you should also set your stop loss. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, you cannot control the markets. Okay, you cannot fully control the market, but you can have a good impact on the market. Okay, so this actually came down after giving us some profit till here. You remember the trend is just starting from here, so definitely you have a good standing. Okay, so it got to your entry points, went back up again and played around there for a while because the market was ranging, and of course it kept on playing around till it got to this region when it spiked up fully. Okay, so this gave us more opportunity to make more profit because it had broken out from this particular resistance zone where it was finding it difficult to break before, and of course it got to this region, came down a bit, went back up. Okay, so at this stage I don't expect you to leave your stop loss down here. Okay, all you should do is to adjust your stop loss a bit to in between your entry point and your current action price in order for us to lock up some profit. Okay, that is how easy it is, and it is so beautiful if you follow instructions. Okay, and of course this actually gave us an opportunity to lock some part of the profit. You can lock about 40% of the profit at this stage. Okay, so this came down. Even if it's going to come down totally, it won't take your it won't take the whole of the profit away. Okay, you will still be able to hold on to the 40% which you locked up. Okay, so this came down and went back up and even spiked up again and came down again and spiked up and up again. At this stage you have more profit margin that you are risking in order to make more profit. It shouldn't be like that, so all you should do is to adjust your stop loss to the middle. Okay, you should either keep 50% of the profit or probably 60% of the profit, which is somewhere here, and it's really cool this way. Okay, so which means if the market should misbehave and try to come down, it will hit your stop loss around there, and of course you will be able to keep 60% of your profit at this point. And that is the beautiful part of it, and that is the strategy, guys. That is the strategy. You're going to love it this way. Okay, and of course it came down a bit and spiked up and up again. Okay, so this time around, if you should notice, it is getting to the top of the page, which means it is about getting to a major resistance zone. So what should you do? Lock up more profit for yourself. Okay, at this stage lock up about 80% of the profit for yourself. You can see this time around you are holding on to more profit while you are risking a little part of the profit in order for you to make more profit, which is cool. Okay, it still went back up, it still went up and came down and went up again, came down, went up, and of course at this stage it has been playing around there. When a certain chart is behaving like this around a major resistance or support zone, then you should know that it's trying to take a very good decision at that particular point. It is either there will be a breakout above the resistance or support zone, or probably there will be a change in direction of the channel. So at this stage it is either you close all your trades in profit and keep 100% of the profit, or you adjust your stop loss to lock up more of the profit, okay, which is 80% of whatever profit you are making at that point. Okay, so and of course if it comes down and hits your stop loss, it will take you away from the market. If it does not and it breaks out above the resistance zone, you keep on making your profits that way. So that is how it works, guys. That is how we're able to arrive to what we made yesterday, and of course at the early part of today, and of course that is why we are able to make so much profit right from there. So if you have been asking the question, how are we able to make so much profit from there, this is how we are able to make so much profit trading spikes. Okay, there is no magic about it. There is nothing pointing to us up, nothing. There is no way we are able to say that it's going to spike here or not. Okay, so what we just did was just to follow the instruction given to us by the indicators we are using, because the indicators are there to guide us right once you know how to use them well. Okay, so this is very, very important. I'm not the only one generating signals like this. I have several of my students using my indicators to generate signals, and of course they are able to make lots of profit even without seeing my post on the Telegram channel. I will be stopping right here. If you are interested in this particular trading tool, you can make comment in the comment section. Just let me know that you are interested, and I will be there to reply you right away, so that we get to see how we can come up with one for you. Okay, you heard that right, for you. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to your courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.